This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear app cache and data on this device. So to begin with, you will need to open the Settings app, then enter the apps category. Onwards, open the information page for the application that you would like to, clear the cache for. In here, go for the storage. Then, if you would like to just clear the app cache, tap at the Clear Cache option to your bottom right. Or if you would like to remove all the app data. In general, go for the Manage Storage option and choose the Clear All Data button. Then confirm your choice by tapping at the OK option. And that would be it. So, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.